Tango 21, quick test. Roger. Okay, so we're about to test the Harrier WT1. That's 2-channel 200 milliwatt set. Not much more than a bit of a toy. They're $24.99 in 1981, and this one, the crystal controlled and fitted with channel 14 and 30. We decided to do it on channel 30, and we'll see how it goes. Now, in tests before in the early 80s, I did some good terrain tests and I got 7/8 of a mile on one of these. So we're doing poor terrain tests. There is quite a lot of trees between here and the test start. He's going to start 1.5 miles away, so if it comes through from there, I'll be very surprised. And then he'll try it at the 1 mile point and the 1/3 of a mile point, and if need be he'll test it at the 1/4 of a mile point. So we'll see how it goes. Basic set, but you know, they're nicely made for what they are. You know, out of those in the Harvard 020 and the Alba CBH1 and the Binatone Ranger 2, they're all the same chassis and they all work all right. And the other type, which uses a similar circuit, the Amstrad ones, the Shire WT622, Harvard 10.4 Convoy, we'll be doing one of those probably next week. They also work all right. In fact, we've had up to 3 miles on one of those. So let's see whether he's
right, are you recording yet?
Yeah, Roger.
Right, well, Tango 21 from Chippie in position at the quarry.
Roger. So we'll give him 30 seconds to pull the little telescopic aerial up, and we'll see whether we can. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Harrier WT1. Do you copy? Yeah, I'm actually I'm receiving you. Okay, can you talk into the speaker? Because once again, it's a microphone into the speaker. Over. Okay, you're there, but you're just not quite readable. So can you just come down to the next test point, please? Oh, that's a bit better. You doubled with me. Over. That's absolutely great. You said you're right on the edge of the road, so I copied what you said. Over. Okay, so if you come down to the 1 mile point, please. Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie receiving.
Again, it's the microphone into the speaker, over.
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Okay, you're there, but you're just not quite readable. So can you just come down to the next test point, please?
Yeah, roger that, will do.
Oh, that's a bit better. You doubled with me, over.
Right, well, I'm stood right on the edge of the road now.
That's absolutely great. You said you're right on the edge of the road, so I copied what you said, over.
Yeah, roger that, I'll move on to the council depot.
Okay, so if you come down to the 1 mile point, please.
Yeah, roger that.
Roger.
Okay, well that was a surprise. That's 1.5 miles away. So we've not had that kind of range on one of those. He had to pick his spot, but he did come through and I was able to hear what he had to say. So that is very good for 200 milliwatts, I'm sure you'll all agree.
Tango 21, I'm now in position at the council drifting depot.
Roger, got you at the depot. The depot.
Roger.
So he's now 1 mile away. It was 1.25 miles, not 1.5 miles if I said wrongly. 1.25 miles was at the quarry, not the top of the hill where we started the more powerful set test. So we're dropping down to 1 mile. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you receive me on the Harrier WT1? Roger. That's fine. Come down to the petrol station. That's the only other one you'll need to do over.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you receive me on the Harrier WT1?
Tango 21, yeah, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Roger. That's fine. Come down to the petrol station. That's the only other one you'll need to do over.
Yep, roger that, will do.
So what he's trying to do, he's talking well away from it. Hello, do you copy? And they're very insensitive. You know, you really do have to talk closely into that loudspeaker, which doubles as a microphone. So when he gets to the petrol station, he'll be 1/3 of a mile away, and the signal will romp in, and we should be able to hear what the audio really sounds like.
Tango 21, Chippie in position at the petrol station.
Roger on that. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy me on the Harrier WT1?
Tango 21, yeah. Loud and clear, over.
Okay, and just for the record, can you speak really closely into it, please?
Yep, Tango 21 from Chippie now at Ancaster service station. Over.
That's excellent, and the test ends there. That works fine. So I would say the quarry's about 1.25 miles. Crossroads about 1 mile. So that's about 1.25 miles.
Yep.
Excellent, thank you. Tango 21 out.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy me on the Harrier WT1?
Tango 21, yeah, receiving you loud and clear, over.
Okay, just for the record, can you speak really closely into it, please?
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie now at Ancaster service station, over.
That's excellent, and the test ends there, that works fine. So I would say the quarry's about 1.25 miles. Crossroads about 1 mile. So that's about 1.25 miles.
Yep, roger that.
Excellent, thank you. Tango 21 out.
Roger that, 10-10.
Well, that was very impressive. 1.25 miles on 200 milliwatts. Let's all go out and buy them. So we will do the Harvard 020 because I've got stories to tell about the Harvard 020. It being the first UK legal set that I bought. Not that I had any illegal sets. I was already licensed as an amateur for 2 years by the time CB hit UK. So that's it, that's where the test ends, and I hope you've enjoyed that. I think that's been the best little more than a toy type of set that we've ever tested to date. Thank you for watching the Harrier WT1 from 1981.